Hi everyone, so today we're gonna draw Meowscle from Fortnite. If you guys are new to this channel, be sure to subscribe, like, and comment below. Thank you. Without further ado, I'm gonna start with drawing the head part first. And I'm gonna start with the top of the head, in the middle of the ears. So we're gonna draw a curve across like so. And then we're gonna start doing the ears, which is kind of like a triangle shape on both sides. So I'm gonna draw a line going downwards and another line going downwards in the opposite direction. And same goes to the other side. And after the point that you stop drawing, you draw another line downwards like that, and the same as to the right side. And at this point you're gonna draw a line, a small line twisted upwards like that, and downwards, and make that as a half circle downwards towards the right side, and duplicate the left side on the right side. So there you have it. You have the face shape all done. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna proceed with the eyes. Most of the time Meowscles would have these small oval shaped eyes, so I'm gonna draw that. So what you do is you take the point of the ears on here and go down up till almost slightly lower than the middle point of the face. So I'm gonna start over here like that oval shape, and same goes to the right side, oval shape. And then I'm gonna add the shine in the inside the eyes, so you're gonna draw a circle inside the oval like that, and you can just fill up the remaining black space there. Same goes to the left side. Try to make it similar. And then we proceed with the mouth. So we're gonna have two curves in the middle like that. And then I'm gonna take I'm gonna draw a line in between of the face from the top parts here, going downwards, and stop here, and then I'm gonna make a small line towards the left like so, and then going inside back. And from this point we're gonna draw to the left and the right side like this, and stop there. I'm gonna make a turn, a small line going inside, and continue, go back out there. I repeat that, but with the like so on the right side. Okay, so we're done with the face. Oh, we're not done with the face. So going back to the ears, we're gonna draw a similar line as the shape of the triangle for the ears, inside the ears, like that. Then complete the triangle. Repeat that for the right side. And then we're gonna add an earpiece inside the ears, another triangle inside the left ear, and you're gonna draw a circle inside that smallest triangle. Next, we're gonna move to the body below the head. So I'm gonna stick to the original looks of this Meowscles. It won't be Meowscles without the muscles. So we're gonna draw the shoulders bigger, like that. And we're gonna draw on the right side, like that. And next is we draw the strap downwards, and we're gonna draw 2 lines on the left side, and then another 2 lines on the right side, like that. And then gonna draw that line. Same goes to the right side. And after that, we're gonna draw another line similar but lower than that line before. That's where the tummy is, the side tummy. And then we're gonna draw 1 line across in the middle of the chest, and then just beneath the head we're gonna draw 2 lines on both sides, a small line like that. Then we're gonna draw a half circle in between of those 2 lines, like that. And after the straps, we're gonna continue with the pants. So we're gonna draw a line across like that, and then going downwards at each sides, and we're gonna draw another line across for the belt, another one, and then we're gonna draw the buckle. The buckle, we're gonna draw something like an I shape, the letter I, but it's a wider letter I, like that. And some details to the belt, to the pants. Just draw 2 short lines across below, and beneath the belt we're gonna continue that line downwards and up to the center and curve it in a bit where your knees are. And then from that point we're gonna continue downwards again and downwards again, and just at the between the legs we're gonna draw a line across, the curved line, and then we're gonna draw 1 line going down, 1 line going down, not a straight line in this case. So from that point, we're gonna draw a curve outwards for each of that line that we have drawn, like that, and then we're gonna draw the lower part of the legs, where you're gonna make a slight curve like that, and then the same as to the right side. And then we're gonna proceed with the fold below the pants. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a line across like that, and then just draw a small line like that, and another line across like that. Repeat that on the right side like that, so you have a fold. And for the shoes, I'm gonna draw the something like that, and then gonna draw a teardrop shape on both sides of the string tie, and in the middle you're gonna draw a round like that, teardrop, teardrop, the strings, worm shape tie for the string. You need two, maybe 3 or 4, and 3 is enough there. And the back of the shoes, you're gonna draw a line curve like that going downwards. The front of the shoes, you're going to have a curve, a circular front, and then you're gonna draw a line across for the base of the shoes up to the back, and then like that, and repeat that line slightly below that to create a base. I'm gonna draw a little detail here and repeat the shoes on the right side. Teardrop shape, round, teardrop shape, string, worm, worm, worm. And there you have it for the lower part of the body. So I'm gonna add where Meowscles kept his weapons. So I'm gonna draw the side of the belt, something like that. And then there's the weapon. The same goes to the right side. There you go. And now we're gonna draw the arms. So for the arms, I'm gonna draw a few curves, so that like that, and then the elbow, then another curve downwards, a slightly straighter curve. And for the inside of the arm, I'm gonna do the same thing on the opposite direction. Same goes to this. And you wanna make the shape bigger on top and smaller when you get to the wrist. So for the fingers, you're gonna draw like that, a small line, and then another small curve. You have the arms done. And for the right arm, I'm gonna repeat that. I'm gonna just erase this for a bit because I'm not satisfied with the lines. So you're gonna repeat that left arm And before that, I'm gonna just erase up to this point. And we'll duplicate that shape. Duplicate that shape on the left side. For the arms, I think for Meowscles, you're gonna make it a bit wider so that you get the same effect that you need to. So Meowscles have to be buff, so that's the whole point of Meowscles. There you go. Repeat that. I'm gonna draw the fur pattern on Meowscles. We start with the pattern at the tummy, like that, and then like that, and at the shoulders. Like that. Repeat that on the right side. And then on the arms. Like that. And last but not least, we're gonna go and draw the tail. So we're gonna draw the tail coming out from the left side. So I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards and then curve it back in, half circle. Good curve back in and going back there. So I think we're done. And that's it for our tutorial today, and I hope you guys find it helpful and enjoy my tutorial, and hope to see you guys soon. Oh, before that, make sure you like and subscribe onto my channel for the future videos, and probably comment down below for any requests or suggestions. That's all for now. See you guys soon. Bye.